Oh, she's going. Alright. We're going on a fishing trip.
Alright.
A magnet fish. I have it in my butt. It's all here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Wow. I feel like a police officer. You know, because they have the chest cans. They're like, put your hands in the air.
Yeah.
Your hands are not in the air. They're in your pocket.
She'll be.
Can't say any bad words. My dad's going to watch this. Remind me not to say any bad words either, because I've been really bad about it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Dude, I'll beat you in a skipping rock contest.
I bet you're probably right.
Are you bad at skipping rocks?
Probably have to skip some.
Are you saying that I have no life and the only thing I do all day is skip rocks?
Yeah.
Rude. Come here. Yeah. Okay, so this is a graded facility. I'm gonna need you to hold. That was. Oh, wow. You got 3. Never mind, you can win. 1. I think it just hit 1. My dad told me how to skip rocks. He was a champ. Here, you got pockets. Thanks. I'll do it. Can I do it?
Oh, but that's such a good rock.
1!
You're so good.
Yeah. Okay. Take off this here fanny pack of stuff. There's a ton of zebra mussels up in here. I cut my foot up in one of those. It was awful. It's chilly. Grappling hook. Huh? Oh, I missed it. Come here, fella. What'd you say to me? Punk? Oh, we got fish water on me. I won't do it again. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna get in 3. You're the new Huck Finn. I do reckon. Well, maybe put on pants. Okay. Gotta sort this rope out. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it, but this is the way I'm doing it. Okay.
I don't know.
No, wait, this is wrong. Hang on.
Check it out there then. Right?
You're a little bit crazy, but it's okay. Not tight enough.
Oh my god.
What?
I have to pee again.
Alright, you can use. Right one.
I want to be a cowboy.
Okay, wait, don't go yet. I wanna.
But I'm a cowboy.
You can be a cowboy. Just, you gotta wait, son. I said you gotta wait. Okay. Don't drop it. Here, I'm gonna tie the end of this to me.
A little high off the fumes.
Well, maybe don't get high off the fumes. Do you have the end of your rope? Do you know where the end of your rope is? Well, you should know
I
that.
think you had it. You took the end of my rope. I don't know what you did with it.
It's down there.
No. You took it. Like, see? It was down there and you took it back here. What'd you do with my rope?
Hang on, I'm tying a figure 8 knot.
Okay.
It's a really hard knot. Don't okay me. It's right there. You gotta find the end of your rope.
I know, but you're the one that put it down.
You're the one that put it down. I reckon I'll fight you. On jaw. Hiya!
Oh, no. Let me show you how it's done. Alright. You ready?
Yeah. Show me how it's done, partner. Where's the end of your rope?
I'm on it.
No, you're not.
Yes. I'm on yours, but also mine.
Here, get.
Did you stop that?
Lift.
No, I don't want to be constrained. Stop imposing your societal standards on me. Oh. Alright, whatever.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, show more gloves. I'm gonna get dirty fish water all over my hands. It's fine. Everything's fine. Ew. Ew. It smells disgusting. I got nothing. Yeah.
Oh no.
What?
I had something. Either that or it's just in the water. Gross. It's too cold without gloves.
I know, I should have brought gloves. I really want to find a gun. Oh, it has something. Oh gosh.
I think he has the mud.
No, I think I let it go.
I think he has the mud.
The mud?
Yeah.
No, it's like on the magnet. And then it like let go and it pulled too hard.
Yeah, the mud.
The mud's not magnetic.
No, it sinks into the mud and then you pull it out. It's like a suction cup.
You're a suction cup.
Oh.
Sorry. Wait, maybe I got stuck to you.
No, I wasn't even in the water. You were stuck in the mud.
You're stuck in the mud.
I'm gonna slap you.
Do it. Your fingers are wet.
You asked for it.
Gross.
Alright.
Hi, hello. I would like to get a gun, please. Give me a gun now. Thank you. The ocean man doesn't want me to have a weapon.
Ocean man,
I'm gonna go over here.
take me by the hand and lead me to your land.
I think in the summertime it's gonna be way fun. I reckon I'm gonna leave down there a little bit longer. I don't know how secure your knot is. Not very.
It's okay.
I just don't want to like tie it
Oh,
all the way
it's
to
so
me.
secure. Alright, I figure a couple more minutes.
Minutes.
Gross.
Do you have gloves here?
I don't want to get my dad's gloves smelling like fish pee. You reckon? Oh no. Oh no.
What?
I'm stuck.
You probably got a gun.
No, I think I got a stick.
Burb. It's down here. Can I please have a gun now? I would like a gun. I ain't got nothing, son. It's still a lot of shrapnel. Is this magnetic rock? Nice. Just warm them up with your butt.
Okay.
Oh, have fun.
I will have fun.
Luckily, you're not wearing a camera.
Yeah. I can put it on if you want.
I don't think my dad enjoys seeing you pee, but like, there's like natural magnetic rocks on here. What if something just like pulled me down, like right now? Drew's like all the way over there. Something was just like, yeah, and that would be the end of me. No one would know. Oh, it's cold. Oh my god, it's cold. There's nothing on there. This lake is boring. This lake is the most boring lake. There's no guns in this lake. I wouldn't even accept a knife. I just want something cool. But no, that does not happen. Only have these YouTube videos where they get paid to have guns. I just want a gun. It's cold. Freezing. My hands are red. Finger feeling lost. Speech is gone. Oh, he's not peeing in the woods. He's peeing in the bathroom. Ha! I'm a fool. Okay. If I was a robot, the only thing I would eat is magnets or magnetic. Wait, hang on. Never mind. I don't know where I was going with this. I feel like a slight pull, but I think I'm just picking up more magnetic rocks or maybe hitting the concrete that's at the bottom. I just really want a gun. Okay, even a bottle cap would suffice at this point. Oh no. Yeah, see, just more magnetic rocks, which I might take these to my biology teacher and be like, ha, what are these? Okay. Great. I need a boat. I bet all the guns are over there in the middle of the lake where no one can access them. It's cold. But I also reckon that the guns at, they're not at Clinton, because people who murder people don't come to Clinton, they go to the sketchy places like the Wakarusa. Clinton's too classy. Clinton's the Walmart of lakes. Or no, wait, the Target. I wish I could speak English. The cold is getting to my brain cells. Okay. So as you can see, there's no gun and just more weird magnetic rocks. Oh yeah. Oh, Drew has my phone too, so if I get murdered, this would really suck. Having to sit. Just gonna wait. I don't even know how you're supposed to do this. I don't even know if I'm doing this entirely right. I just have this thing tied around me in a figure 8 knot. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait. I also lied to Drew. The dirt is magnetic because dirt is the rocks, and that's all I keep getting. It's freaking rocks. I don't want rocks. Drew's taking a while to pee. Maybe he died. Never mind. He's right there. How did he get all the way? I think the clone Drew. Okay. Did I get a gun? Or a chair? Nope. It's just more magnetic rock. Disgusting. I'm gonna go to the other dock. See if I can't get anything over there. Oh, I reckon I'm stuck. Never mind. What?
The room is locked.
Oh, just pee outside?
No.
You fool.
There's no safe place to pee.
Just pee. Just pee into the water. Get off! Get off! I'll be looking over here, fella. You're a whippersnapper. Yes. I got stuck around me. I could have gotten nade had that connected to something metal. But thank God there's no guns in here. Let's see. I don't feel nothing. Nothing magnetic is connecting. I don't know how long you're supposed to leave this in here. It's just cold, dead fish water. 1, 2. Whoa. I think a fish just ate my magnet off. Feels really weird. It keeps connecting to like random things. I think it's a chain or something. Or just a ton of rocks. I reckon you can just catch some more rocks. That's all I really get from here. Some stupid rocks. Oh, what is this? I reckon I caught something. Nice. I got a... What gauge are you? I think this is a 9 socket. Hell yeah, finally something. We'll sit that there. I don't know what that is. Okay, so we've had better luck over here. I don't know why I'm doing this in the country accent. Drew, I found a thing! I got a thing! A socket! A socket! Size 13, probably, or 9.5, I don't know. Kind of big. Someone's fixing their boat. What? A 13! Maybe a 9, I don't know. That's kind of big. You just don't think about the fact that your hands are freezing off. They stop freezing off. Okay. Ooh, I feel a pull.
Back in a couple of weeks and we can bring my canoe.
You have a canoe?
Yeah.
I reckon that's pretty great.
Oh, it's a size 13.
Yeah.
Is it from China or is it from USA?
I don't know. I just pulled it out of the water. You have the one with the longer rope. This one's like 13 feet. I think you have like a 20 feet. Yeah. Oh, sheeps, man. Let's let that sit in there. It's really gross.
I think it was made in Taiwan.
It's full of nastiness.
Yeah, Taiwan.
Oh, I feel a pull.
Ew.
Ew.
Well.
I haven't gotten a gun yet.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Feels punch me in the face with your magnet.
Sorry. No, but that's what I was trying to do. He was like, I'm gonna teach you how to fish. I was like, ah, go away.
I'm gonna teach you how to fish.
Yeah, my hands are covered in fish water.
Oh, mine too. I've been magnet fishing as well.
What is happening?
Wow, you're really bad at this, huh?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to teach you how to fish. Come on, you can do it.
I don't know what's
This is how
happening.
it feels like to have Parkinson's.
Parkinson's is actually a guy named Parkinson, and he's a ghost, and he holds your hands behind you. Okay, come out of the water. I don't think I got. What are you? I got a lock! Holy shit! I bet. Oh, I said a bad word. I bet I could pick this. Okay, we're keeping this. Yeah! So the longer it stays in there, the more likely you are to get a thing. There's no key, but it's open. I reckon I'll go home and clean it off, along with that, so I can give it to my dad for his jar of stuff. So if anything, like, if you don't think about the fact that your hands are freezing off, it just... Oh, that was you. That scared the baloney out of me.
You thought you were getting
Yeah.
We should come back and walk along the beach, because, like, trying to pee, I found some interesting things.
Like a body?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Like, actually.
No, really?
Human body.
Oh.
And then, like, a bunch of beer bottles. But we could probably find some more. Trail. Trail.
Yeah. Yeah, when do you want to come back?
Probably in a week or two.
A week? Wow.
This is the warmest it's gonna be for like a week. And it might snow Wednesday.
Are you for real?
Mm-hmm. Maybe I'll get a job. I want a job so I can spend money on my car. What if?
Uh-huh.
Bird.
Yeah.
What if I got like a Jeep Cherokee? That'd be cute, like Jeep Cherokee.
Uh-huh.
And like I could let you drive it. Like we went 50-50 on it. I could let you drive it, and then like we could split the title in between us, and then we could use it to just come to Clinton Lake with like a boat all the time.
That'd be pretty rad.
That would be pretty rad.
I'm picking up a lot of rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a lot of a lot of freaking rocks.
Can't believe you.
I'm not a curse word. I need yours. Yours goes farther.
I really just can't believe you.
I'm sorry. What did you say to me? I'll fight you. Don't think I won't, son. Everyone's at risk. Now, what kind of meth are you smoking?
I wish it was summer.
I do too.
PB Blaster is my method. That's my method of choice.
Your method choice, PB Blaster.
PB Blaster.
All right, mine. I'm more of a.
I've been huffing that for like 2 days now.
Well, not W2. Let's think WD-40. Yeah, I get high on government forms.
All right.
God, they're so confusing. My mind just gets boggled, you know? What are you doing with that rope not tied around yourself, son?
What?
Eat.
How do you like that now?
I have to wash all my goddamn clothes. I'm covered in fish water. My hands are freezing off. Like shrapnel on me.
Always thought you loved me like I dreamed about. Standing in your radio. How do you like me? No, stop that.
I haven't gotten a gun yet, have you? No gun. I don't know how you're supposed to use a grappling hook.
Bro, I just want cars.
It's called freaking butt nut. I can feel like it hooking on like several different things, but like it just attaches, and I think it's just like the rocks it's picking up. Are you at the bottom?
Well, that's just
Yeah,
silly.
that's the bottom. Right there. I ain't getting nothing this round either. Maybe there's a staple.
Oh,
What?
I don't know.
Ugh. I wonder if there's anything in between here.
We should leave in like half an hour though.
Okay.
You want to help me build a room out of cardboard?
What?
Build a room out of cardboard. For
Like-
composition.
For what?
It's a project.
Like a bedroom?
It's for 1984. I'm gonna build like a cardboard room. I'm just gonna print out walls, like glue them, like print out a bed and nightstand and glue that. I'm gonna make it like a screen, maybe like a telescreen.
I'm really bad at projects like that, like diarrheas or dioramas, more like it. Anyways, those were awful. I hated those.
Half of a broken scissor.
Did you really?
That's funny.
Keep it in the pile. Almost pulled me in. Half a broken scissor, eh?
Yeah. Oh wait, what am I on? Come on, yeah. Get on now.
Attach it to everything I can, because I'm just trying to get a gun. But nobody's going to throw a gun over here, I reckon. So it's really frustrating for a girl who just wants fun. What?
If it looped around your bag and just like pulling it,
That would have not, I would have killed you.
I wouldn't laugh.
I would have said, that's the end of your life. Say goodbye to it.
And then I would like, funny. Probably look like meth head.
Who?
Huh.
Why?
It just looks like a meth head thing to do. Like
I just want to get a gun. So far, I've gotten the lock socket. You got a pair of scissors, which is close to a weapon, and I'm upset that you got the weapon and I didn't.
I don't think you want to get a gun.
Why?
Probably means it was a murder weapon.
I know.
You have to give it up.
Yeah,
Alright.
but you don't have to. I mean, it'd be the right thing to do, but like, you don't have to.
How do you like it now? Now that I'm on my way, do you think I'm crazy?
Ugh. Nothing. Yeah. Just give me something. Not rocks. Anything but rocks. I'm tired of rocks.
Next time they go scuba diving, not scuba diving. Snorkeling. There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. I'd have better luck finding stuff just going in and grabbing it. But it's fucking. Oh, and then it's freaking cold. Oh! Mainly my hands, as you can see, are like freezing. What'd you get? 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 Nice.
You gotta reel it in really slow. Oh, there it goes.
You lost our food for the winter.
I'm putting the tetanus knife in your bag.
Okay. Freaking cold. We should go after this one.
Okay.
Because my hands are not having it. Unless I find a gun. If I find a gun, we can stay longer.
No. No?
Nothing. Just give me a gun. What?
Oh, I think that's just the, yeah, it's just the base. It's kind of stupid.
Yeah. That was weird. I hooked onto something and then it dropped off. Maybe it was a gun. The gun ran away.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
My hands are freezing.
Start the car.
Okay. Didn't get anything except for gosh darn thing and a thing. I don't even want to take this, but here you go. Look at that. I got that thingy. Set that there. And a lock. It's really gross. I'm not gonna take that actually. There's so much gross. Bet there's a gun in there just laughing at me. Okay, I'm cold. I'm dying. And I'm cold. Let's see what he got. Oh wow. Ew, I'm keeping that. Okay. Oh, it's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold. My hands no longer function as hands. Is he leaving? Oh, this dirty fish water. Oh my string. I reckon I need help. I can't use my hands like I can't bend them.
Go in the car.
Okay, this grappling hook is clean, so I'll just hold on to that. Oh, it's cold. Like, I can that's the extension motion that I can do. Oh, look at that. It just hurts a lot. See, look, these guys are zebra mussels. I cut my foot open on these. Die. Die, die, die. Perish. I hate all of you.
Oh, man.
They broke my foot, so I'm breaking their face.
Oh, man.
I'm coming. I don't let me be angry with the zebra mussels. Oh, warm. Well, that was cool. I reckon if you have a boat or something, it'd be a lot more fun because we could probably find a gun.
We can do that during the summer, or whenever it gets warm. Is your camera off?
Oh no.
Still on?
I think so, it is. Bye.